Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4 subject GK. Today we are going to learn new lesson 25 Winter Mania. In winter season, there are some sports and games are there. That only we are going to learn this lesson. All of you listen to me carefully. Some sports can be played and enjoyed particularly in the winter season. Remember, you can play winter sports without ice or snow. Skating. The two types of skating are finger skating and speed skating. You can do finger skating on an indoor ice rink. In finger skating, the events include men's and women's, singles, pairs, and ice dancing. In speed skating, the long track racing takes place on an outdoor track. In short track racing, an indoor track is used. The two types of skating are there, finger skating and speed skating. Okay, women's and man, everybody is including this game. Ice hockey. Ice hockey is a fast game as players move with great speed on the ice. Hockey, this game is great speed on the ice. The two teams have 6 players each. Two teams have 6 players each. The players try to shoot the puck made of vulcanized rubber into the opposition side's goal. Can you name the country which has ice hockey as its official sport? Sled sports. Sled sports are exciting and dangerous. This sport is very dangerous only. Toboggans and bobsled rides race at great speed across a steep and swift track full of ice. In bobsleigh racing, the crew is made up of a pilot and a brakeman. Though sometimes it may have more people. The steering wheel or a rope is used to turn the front runner of the slides. In luge tobogganing, the rides are called sliders. The luge tobogganing, the riders are called sliders. They guide the vehicle with the help of their legs and shoulders. This toboggan moves without a brake or steering. This toboggan moves without a brake or a steering. Then next, alpine skiing. Alpine skiing goes downhill and slalom races. This alpine skiing downhill and slalom races. Downhill is the fastest race in which skiers follow a fixed route. In a slalom race, the horses is marked with alternate pairs of red and blue flags with flags which represent gates. If a skier misses a gate, he gets eliminated. Cross country ski racing. Next one, cross country ski racing. Cross country ski racing and ski jumping are part of Nordic skiing. In cross country ski racing, the skis used are lighter and shorter than those used for alpine skiing. Even the poles used are longer than the ones used for alpine skiing. In ski jumping, only the men complete. This jumping, only the men only complete it. The skies either jump from ski towers or trams. Sophia Henny, a Norwegian figure skater, won 10 world titles continuously from 1927 to 1936. This man wrote this skater. He been won 10 words titles continuously from 1927 to 1936. Eric Hayden, an American, won 5 speed skating gold medals in the 1980 Winter Games. Speed skating gold medals got Eric Hayden, an American, got this gold medals. Next, Mr. Know-All. You will be amazed to know how skies train to get best position in speed skiing events. They practice on moving cars. Better not try that. In sled dog racing, the musher guides his team of dogs by crying out "how" or turn left and G for turn right. The sled dog race is popular in Canada, Alaska, northern US and recently in Russia. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson. All of you read the lesson and you have to remember all the titles of the heading of the and you have to remember all the head of the passage. Skating, ice hockey, sled sports, alpine skiing, cross country racing, and who got the finger skater and skating gold, speed skating gold medals, and who got and this and all you have to, and then also Mr. Know-All, that also you have to study and remember is you have to read the lesson once more and study. Okay, this is homework, then you have to study this and read the lesson. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Thank you, children. Here is no exercise in this lesson. You have to read the lesson and remember all the heading and all the names and all. Okay, thank you, children.